Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to share with you 3 crock-pot recipes. One is going to be a breakfast recipe, one is going to be a recipe for dinner, and the third one is going to be a dessert crock-pot recipe. So I'm going to share all 3 of these with you today. This video is really fun. It is part of a collaboration called Crocktober. So there's no better thing to do than crock-pot recipes in the month of October. So this collaboration is hosted by my friends Sammi and Tamara. So I'll put their channels in the description box. Check them out. They're both the sweetest, and they have awesome channels, and they have tons of amazing recipes on their channels. So make sure you check them out. There's gonna also be a playlist that I will link in the description box. I cannot wait to see everyone's crock-pot recipes, so check those out after this video. So for the breakfast one I'm gonna do, it's gonna be eggs, ham, spinach, cheese, just like a breakfast casserole, but made in the crock pot. So I love crock pot recipes because you basically just dump and go, and you don't have to worry about it. So if you are gonna have people over for brunch, crock pot breakfast is the way to go. For dinner, I'm going to be doing a shredded chicken burrito bowl. If you've been here on my channel, you know we love burrito bowls, we love chicken, and so this is a really easy shredded chicken burrito bowl recipe for dinner. And my dessert is going to be like an apple pie crisp. And oh my gosh, so good. I have made this before and it is to die for. You add a little bit of vanilla ice cream on top, and so good and perfect for fall. I love apples in the fall. I mean, they are all so fresh and in season. So apples for dessert with all kinds of yummy goodness is awesome. So I'm gonna get these crock-pot recipes ready for you. I'll show you how I make them. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of recipes on my channel for you. Leave me a comment if you ever have any questions at all. So I'm gonna get right into cooking these crock-pot recipes. I have my chicken in my crock pot, and I'm going to use my Rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies. So perfect to make this shredded burrito bowl chicken. I'm going to add some more diced green chilies because I can never have enough of these. So just putting this in, I'm going to give it a little stir, and this will cook in the crock pot on high for about 8 hours. So easy and comes out so delicious. You just throw in a couple cans of tomatoes and green chilies in the chicken, and it seriously comes out so good and it shreds so easily. This is so perfect for burrito bowl chicken or any kind of shredded chicken you need. I'm gonna add in some corn. I'm going to add in lentils and black beans to give this just a Tex-Mex flavor and lots of protein. Love lentils for protein, black beans for more protein. So this is definitely super healthy meal to cook in the crock pot, and so good, so yummy. And it makes a huge serving also. So I love to portion this out and have tons of leftovers for burrito bowls all week long. Add your favorite toppings and you're good to go. I'm gonna do a breakfast casserole for you now, and I love doing breakfast in the crock pot. You can take this to a potluck or any kind of function that you want your food to stay warm. So this is really so awesome doing a crock pot breakfast. So I'm gonna spray my crock pot with my cooking spray so that the eggs don't stick. I have ham, spinach, I'm gonna use some cheddar cheese, and then my eggs. But you can use any of your favorite breakfast ingredients. You can do cooked sausage or cooked bacon. So any kind of breakfast meat on the bottom. You can do any kind of vegetable also. I love zucchini in my eggs, but spinach is definitely one of my favorites. So adding the ham, spinach, cheese, and then the eggs, I scrambled them up, and so I will pour them in over all of the other ingredients. I used 10 eggs for this. I'm making a big batch, and this will definitely last us a few days. I'll portion it into containers and we'll have breakfast for the whole week, which is awesome. I'm doing my dessert. I have a yellow cake mix, and it is so good. It's so easy. So I'm going to use my yellow cake mix, and I have half a cup of melted butter that I'm going to mix into the cake mix. And then I will mix that all together, and it's going to go on top of my apple pie filling in my crock pot. I love dump and go recipes. They are so easy, and this dessert is really great if you're having a crowd over for dinner and you want a nice, warm, delicious dessert and you don't want to be spending time in the kitchen while you have people at your house trying to entertain them. So crock pots are definitely a really awesome route to go for desserts. I have my walnuts, this big bag that we go through a lot of walnuts, but halves and pieces of walnuts, but I'm going to chop these up with my little, it's a little food processor, but it's mainly I use this one for nuts, but I'm just going to chop it into small pieces. I'm going to use about a cup of chopped walnuts, and this little apple pie crisp is going to have so much awesome flavor and texture as well. So I'm going to spray my crock pot with my cooking spray so that it comes right out the dessert when it's done. So I'm going to add in 2 cans of this apple pie filling. It has everything already in it, all of the seasonings and everything, so super easy. So I'm going to use 2 cans of this. I'm going to add on top the cake mix that was mixed with butter and the walnuts. So I'm going to add a paper towel over the top of my crock pot before I put the lid on, and this is going to help catch all of the condensation while this dish is cooking. So it is very helpful for crock pots to add in the paper towel. So this is so delicious. It is really so good, so easy, and like I said, perfect if you're entertaining and you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen but have a yummy dessert for your guests. This is such an awesome way to go. I'm going to add some vanilla ice cream, and this will be so perfect and really great for fall with the apple flavors and the cake flavors. So good, perfect fall dessert. I hope you enjoyed these Crockpot recipes. They were all so easy and really delicious. I love anything in the Crockpot. So I hope you enjoyed these. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and check out the playlist in the description box of everyone's Crocktober recipes. I hope you have a really wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.